We don't wanna feel in danger anymore, 'cause we're sick to death of all the suffering and war. We don't need this stress, because life is hard enough. And we're all so tired of things being so tough. We just want some